On Mute, Unraveling the Phrase. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might hear in conversations, especially in this digital era, on mute. Let's discover what it means and how you can use it. The word mute originally refers to a condition where something or someone is silent or produces no sound. When a device or a person is on mute, it means the sound is turned off or suppressed. For example, you might put your TV on mute during a commercial break, meaning you've silenced the TV. In the age of online meetings and digital communication, the term on mute has gained more popularity. When someone says, "You're on mute," during a video call, they mean that the person's microphone is turned off and their voice cannot be heard. It's a common scenario when someone is speaking but forgets to turn their microphone on. To help you better understand, here are a few examples. 1. During the webinar, "I think John is speaking, but he's on mute." 2. While watching TV, "Can you put it on mute? The phone's ringing." 3. In a figurative sense, sometimes, "I wish I could put my worries on mute and enjoy the moment." While on mute is common, there are other related phrases that are worth knowing. Turn up the volume, to increase the sound. Turn down the volume, to decrease the sound. Silent mode, a setting on phones where all notifications and ringtones are muted. Unmute, to turn the sound back on or activate the microphone. And there we have it. The phrase, on mute, and its relevance in both traditional and modern contexts. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase confidently in your conversations. Remember, language is ever evolving, and staying updated with such phrases will make your English sound more fluent and natural. Happy learning!